Sa feed. Kasi ako.
Yan na muna natin. I-play muna natin. So, ganyan mangyayari pag walang action script na stop. Okay? So, ang gagawin ko ngayon is that I will apply stop. Okay? So, sa first frame, dapat, let's say, here, gusto ko dyan lang mag-stop siya. So, pag tinest movie ko, hindi siya magpe-play in a loop. Alright? So, mangyayari is, for example, buttons, and then, alright, actions.
Wala music video, welcome to New York.
Ito, dapat i-on nyo to. Kasi minsan, nakaganyan lang yan. So, you have to turn that on para it's a wizard. So, it helps you throughout. Then, first, sa under actions, player, go here sa frame na to, and then stop. Double click. Alright, so, dapat ganyan lang yan. So, yan. So, when you test it, ang mangyari is, nag-stop lang siya sa page na yan. Hindi siya on the loop, paulit-ulit.
I mean, may symbol.
Alright? Kasi ang mangyayari, pag wala yan, magpe-play lang siya ng ganyan. Paulit-ulit. Okay. And now, I want to link this to this second page. That's my second page. So for me, to do that, I need to click this first, a button hindi go to action, go to the button activities. You need to convert that to button first. Alright? Then I will go to actions. Then go to automatic. Ayan, that will appear. Isa-select nito. So what frame is that? So definitely, alright, very good. So enter. So let's check. Alright. So when I press, syempre, wala pa rin stop. Kaya nangyari, nag-play siya, pero nag-play din iba yung frames. So I need to put a stop here. So I need to select this frame under actions. Actions, then stop. Okay? Then let's check. Command enter. So activities. Boom. Stop siya dyan. So now I will link this to the third. Kasi yung activity 1 ko yung bouncing ball. Alright. So here on my second page, I will click the button first, then go to actions. Wait lang. Alright, go. Actions. Then go to. Okay? So what frame is that? Yung ball?
Alam mo yun? Yung frog or something. Yung malaking... Okay.
What frame is the ball? Which is the third frame. Alright, so lalagay natin sa third frame. Alright. So enter. So ang mangyari is, if you command enter, boom, it leads you there. Then it leads you to the bouncing ball. Pero it goes back to the first page kasi hindi ko nilagyan ng stop sa pinaka-end. I want to put a stop here kasi I want this to link me to the first page. So I need to go again sa action layer. Click that frame.
Sa action lang po lagi nagsastop.
Yes, sa stop. Very good. So, double click. So, meron, ayan o, magkakaroon siya ng A. So, therefore, it means na-apply na yung action script yan. Okay? Then, let's see. So, boom. Boom. So, nag-stop siya on there. Now, this one, I want to link this sa first page. So, same idea again. Alright? So, click the button first. Yeah. Ako lang. Text lang, simple text. Kinonvert ko sa button. Alright. Then go to. So, what frame is that? Sa first page? First. Alright. So, that's it. Simple as that. So, activities. Activity 1, the bouncing ball. Then, back to the first homepage. You know. Simple as that. So, kayo na bahala paano nyo ililink siya. Alright?